The SharperTek Compact Conveyorized Spray Washer STC12WRD offers a 12-inch wide parts conveyor with a clean, rinse, and dry station. It has a cleaning storage tank and a rinse storage tank that are both filtered and heated. Here you can see the SharperTek Conveyorized Spray Washer. The last stage is a regen blower with air knives for parts drying. It is all stainless steel construction and made in the USA. Features of this machine include cleaning tank with filtration and heat, rinse tank filtration and heat, dry station with air knives, PLC-controlled programmable cycles, 7-day program timer, and autofill. Additional ordering options are listed at the end of the video and in the description.